Bano Kutsia biography. Name Bano Kutsia. Date of birth November 28, 1928. Place of birth Firozpur, British India. Date of death February 4, 2017. Place of death Lahore, Pakistan. Profession novelist, short story writer, playwright, ACS language Urdu. Education master's degree in Urdu literature from Government College, University Lahore. Spouse Ishfaq Ahmad, celebrated writer, broadcaster and spiritual thinker. Bano Kutsia emerged as one of the most influential literary figures in post-partition Pakistan. She began writing at a young age and gained widespread fame with her thought-provoking and spiritually infused storytelling. Her magnum opus Raja Gid is regarded as a masterpiece in Urdu literature. The novel explores complex themes such as halal and haram, the lawful and the forbidden, insanity, love, and existential questions through symbolic and allegorical narrative techniques. Apart from fiction, she was also a distinguished playwright. Her television plays, especially during the golden era of Pakistan television (PTV), were admired for their depth, simplicity, and social relevance. Raja Gid, a philosophical novel questioning moral decay in society. Hasil Ghat, a reflective and spiritual narrative. Chahar Chaman, collection of stories and essays. Dast Basta, a collection of short stories. Adi Baat, a widely acclaimed television drama. Awards and recognitions. Tara Imtiaz, Star of Excellence for her outstanding literary contributions. Hilal Imtiaz, Crescent of Excellence, one of the highest civilian honors in Pakistan. She was also recognized internationally, and her works have been translated into various languages. Bano Kutsia's writing style was marked by simplicity in expression, deep psychological and philosophical insight, a focus on spiritualism, mysticism, morality, and socio-cultural critique, exploration of human relationships, inner conflicts, and ethical dilemmas. She was greatly influenced by Sufi thoughts, which is evident in much of her work. Her collaboration with her husband Ishfaq Ahmad formed a celebrated intellectual and literary partnership in Pakistani culture legacy. Bano Kutsia's left behind a profound legacy that continues to influence generations of readers, writers, and thinkers in the Urdu-speaking world. She is remembered not only for her literary brilliance but also for her role in shaping Pakistan's intellectual and spiritual discourse. MD Udan News TV Chaudhry Umar Sarwar, social worker Chaudhry Abdul Majid Hanjra, Chaudhry Ali Hashim appreciated this act. This program sponsored by Shaheen Group of Pakistan. We deals with pure honey, best quality of white honey. Fitness tonic Asil Cooks, Desi eggs Asil Jet Kadahi, Asil White Kadahi, Coil Jet Kadahi, and Elevex Beauty Soap. And marriage proposals for all caste. Mobile number 0323478780. You are watching Udan News.